Hi, my name is Richard Muse.
And my name is Dwayne Squires.
In this video, I'm going to show you what is the minimum deposit you need for North East investment properties. Now, it can vary because obviously you might think, well, yes, you can only get a mortgage over 40,000, but you know what? There is finance available on low value properties from £25,000 up over. I was speaking to one of the finance suppliers, the finance companies that do them type of that finance on them low values, and generally it's about 65% loan to value. And the interest rates are a little bit higher, obviously about 5%, but that might sound a lot, but your monthly repayments are going to be very, very low compared to what your rental income is. So that's worth considering because that can let you leverage up, you know, to doing more properties with your cash. On a £40,000 plus what your mortgage and going on a mortgage, then you're at the 25% rate. I don't think there's, as far as I know, there's not anything any less than that at the moment. So that's generally what you need. Again, opportunities there that if you take a mortgage out and you say do some work improvements, you might be able to go back in 6 months' time and get a remortgage and take your money out, your original money back out, and then that way you can start again. And then the other minimum deposit, solid deposits on developments. Now, this could vary depending on the type of development and what the lender's criteria is. Generally with developments is that you would have to have the land or building in place. You would expect to, you know, I would imagine 65% loan to value, something like that, 70% on the building. Then you will need finance for doing the work. Now, generally, the finance companies, they'll say, well, look, you've got a project manager, you've done your costings, we'll lend you on phase one, and then once you've done that, we'll have our value come back out, and happy with that, we'll give you some more money so you can move on to phase two. And generally, that's what happens with a lot of developers and the relationship they have with the finance companies. Some are quite different. Some might just say, oh, there's the money, get on. But I think they're a little bit more cautious because obviously what it is when you're developing, it doesn't really have a value till it's finished. And, you know, part value, you know, the lenders have got to be very, very careful that, you know, as far as a part value, say something happened to the developer through, and if they're giving them all the money, then they could be in trouble if he's not able to fulfill the building contract. So that is where you need to be sort of on development. It's very, very personal to the property and the type of development you're doing.
So just to summarise, in terms of deposits, if you're buying a property from 25 to just shy of 40,000 deposit, you can get financed where your deposit will be around 35%. If you're investing in a property where it's valued at 40,000 or above, typically the deposit will be around 25%. There's a few companies out there that do 20% as of this video being launched, but the mass market typically is around 25%. And if you then invest in developments, then similarly your deposit is going to be around 35%, but the mortgage company will provide your financing in different phases. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you found it useful, please can you click the like button, as well as follow our YouTube channel by subscribing to it. That will then mean that when we release new videos in the future, you'll be notified of those.
Once you've liked and subscribed, why not watch other of our videos by clicking the thumbnail on the right-hand side? This will take you to more helpful videos for you to watch.